You see, if you want to make money and you want to become wealthy in cryptocurrency, you have to stop trading futures. That's just the truth. You see, futures trading wasn't designed to make you wealthy. It was just designed to make the exchange wealthy. It was designed to make the whales more wealthy, but it was designed to make you poor. Let me show you my account in this year. Let's go to my Binance account. I'll show you my Binance account and you'll be shocked what exactly happened. Don't worry. These are data proven and they are facts. They are facts. You see, majority of you may think, oh, futures trading is going to make you wealthy. You know why some of you are trading futures? Because you actually want to become wealthy suddenly. You are thinking futures trading is going to bring an end to your generational poverty. Or you are thinking futures trading is going to deliver you from... You see, one thing again, you see, I have so much things to say. And that's why all through this month, I'll be teaching on futures trading, on spot trading precisely. Encouraging people. I've made up my mind. I've practiced this for over a year and I've seen what the result is like. So I made up my mind that all through this year, I'll be showing people how they can focus more on spot trading in this year. Let me show you my asset. So although sometimes I actually send money to these accounts, they are not all trading money. But let me show you my account. Let's go to the record icon here. You see where the record icon is? Just at the right top there. When you go there, just at the right top, you see where it's showing me my assets, my trade. Let me show you my trade and show you coins I've traded and the likes on spot. As a matter of fact, I think last time we traded BNB. Okay, I bought BNB when it was going down the last time. Okay, I bought some at $822. And currently, I sold the one I sold today. I sold at $895. So just imagine I bought one BNB. Imagine how much I've made. I'm going to show you a lot of things in this. When you just go to, I just want to prove to you, when you go to isolated margin, that's futures, right? You see other history, no history, nothing. I've not traded it this year at all. When you go to cross margin, no history, I've not traded it this year at all. It has not been part of my business. I've only focused on futures trading. See my account here. See the 7 days here. This was last trade I took from $979. I only use, and I don't even use all my money in spot trading. I only use 10% from $979 up to $1,003. In the last, let me show you what I started this account with this year. I actually started with $10. And currently, this account is trading over $1,116. It actually moved to $500, but there were some money I actually moved into the account. We're not trading money. I just moved it in and moved it out back. So that was why the account moved that. So the current balance of the account is over $1,116. What I've made in futures trading this year alone was, if I'm not mistaken, in spot trading this year alone, should be quite over $300. Not all made from futures, or all made from spot trading. Don't get me wrong. But you see, the problem here is that when I was trading sports, when I was trading futures year before last, trading futures, trading sport, just mixing everything together, jumping from pillar to post, I may make up to $500 or more. But at the end of the year, what is left is not enough to $50. I will make it and lose it. And that's the case where that's what majority of you are facing right now. You make money today, lose it tomorrow. Later on you say it's your village, it's not your village people. It's just because you want to get wealthy suddenly. And that's why you can never make it. Don't let me say you can never make it. That's why some of you will not make it in crypto. I stopped trading that. And I found out that I was extremely profitable. As a matter of fact, the most profitable year for me in the world of crypto was last year. Was the most profitable year. I made the most profits in the year 2025. It was the best year ever in crypto trading for me. Make the biggest profits. There was a trade we took that I made. I think, let me check. I think I have a screenshot of it. Or let me just go to my Telegram. Okay, see, this is my Telegram here. This is my Telegram channel here. These are main Telegram. Some of you are not in this Telegram channel, but this is I told you guys, I'm not just a trader, like a random trader. I'm a mentor. I've mentored quite a number of people. This October 10 here, watch this. This was October 10 when you have the highest dump in the market. See what I was telling the students. Your market is bidding really high. Buy all you can buy right now. And I told them over 70% down. The market is over 70% down. In that same night, Binance was having issue. For those who trade on Binance and those who are traders, we understand what I'm saying. Binance was having issue that same night. So we were unable to buy. But the little I was able to buy made over $101. Later on moved to over $109. And I said, painful. I couldn't buy as much as I wished to. It was indeed a golden opportunity buying. Okay, later on I closed that setup. I think I closed at $109. I'm trying to find because I actually posted, but I think I closed at $109 or $106 or so in a single night. In less than 3-4 hours, I made this profit on spot trading, not even futures trading. No. These I've been making profit cumulatively. You see, one thing about spot trading is that you need quite a number of capital to trade. If you don't have capital, you can't make money. Just know that one. So it's not like your sports trading. It's not like your futures trading that with $10, you want to turn $10 in a night. You want to suddenly turn $10 to $100. That doesn't work anywhere. And Wales does not even trade futures. That's the truth. Look at example of whales like Elsa, Michael Saylor. You know the Microsoft strategy. For those of you who have been training for a while, you can go and Google. They hold over 331,000 BTC in sports. Big whales in the market does not trade futures. They only trade sports, and that's where they make their money. It's only players or jokers or bet players like you that focus on trading futures. You know what you're doing? One thing about futures trading, you see, I'm not just talking like someone I'm talking like a repented preacher right now. Because I was once in the shoe. I drop a lot of, let me show you my signal room. I drop a lot of future signals. Even till now, I still give some of my students who wish to trade futures, but virtually all the future signals we've traded this year, more than 90% or 95% of them have been on profit, because we had it traded maybe once in a week or so. But initially, before now, this is main thing we do virtually every day. If I scroll back to 2022, 2024, and likes you see this is what we drop. Okay, see it here. See the list of them here. This was what we do day in, day out, dropping several signals, future signals. You can see it here. You can see here. You can see the signals here. You can see here. This is what we do day in, day out, signals back to back. And I found out that quite a number of my students are actually not even making the money. They will make the money, lose it tomorrow. Some of you, what you are looking for in the market, are looking for someone who will be giving 3 signals, 4 signals in a day. I bet you can never make money in crypto that way. Don't mind this teaching. It may not be that organized, like following a pattern. I'm just here to pour out my heart to you. If you want to make money trading in cryptocurrency, please, until you have actually, maybe you are a whale, maybe you have like about 10 million or 1 million or 3 million or $5 million and above, at least above $1 million, don't trade futures. Because what you're actually doing is that you are using your $10 to bet against someone that owns $10 million in the market. Automatically, you're going to be lose. It's going to make the money. If you ever make it, you're only being deceived to lose it. That's the truth about markets. That's the truth. You see, this may be hard, but you have been trading right now for more than 5 years. You have been trading right now for more than, okay, you see, this was last signal we dropped. This was last signal we dropped. You can see the signal here. Read from where we started dropping the signal. See, you can see the details. Let me just be scrolling this while I talk so that you can be reading what actually happened. And how it goes. You see, some of you, the problem is that you have been trading for more than 5 years right now. You are even more poor than the day you started. And yet you have not sit down one day to learn and ask yourself, why is my situation like this? It's because you are looking for sudden money. You are finding a way to make it and just deliver yourself. Boom. Trading doesn't work like that. Some of you have resigned from your job to start trading. You see, you need to go back to your job. If not, you'll be more poor than you were. Trading will not make you rich overnight. It wasn't designed to give you overnight wealth, like make it just in a short. No. That wasn't trading. It wasn't designed that way. It was designed to make you wealthy, but on the long run, not on the short run. Someone like BlackRock, you know, BlackRock, that's the world's largest asset manager, owning over 400,000 BTC. That's in billions of dollars in sports. Do you think those people wake up in the night and checking, oh, has it gone up? Has it come down? Hey, am I on negative? Am I on profit? I'm using 10x. They don't do that. Oh, you think Elon Musk is holding Bitcoin, holding this? Do you think he's trading futures? No, they don't. Wales, do you think Donald Trump is holding quite a number of BTC, Solana, and the likes, or American right now holding many BTC right now? They even own a mining industry right now in America. They are mining BTC themselves. Not a mining factory like that. Now, do you think American right now are checking their portfolio? Okay, has it gone down? Has it come up? No, stop being fool. You have been fool for a long while. Now get sense. Stop being fool. I've been there for more than 5 years. You don't have to be. That's what I'm teaching you, and that's what I'm telling you the truth. If you want to make it in crypto trading, you have to repent. He looks like a preacher right now. But I'm just telling you from experience. Last year was my best. 2025 was my best year ever. It was my best year ever in trading. I made quite a number of money. It was very interesting. The money I made in 2025 was the best of it all. Why? I only trade spot trading, nothing else. My account grew massively. My profit was tangible and fixable. My profit was cashable, was realistic. It was, I could trade and sleep. I even forget I'm trading. All this trading that you're trading, that any little thing, in a day you open your Bybit more than 10 times. Baba, you will soon die. You will soon kill yourself. You will soon kill yourself with blood pressure and the likes. That's the truth. Trading don't work that way. You see, you have to start doing as the whales is doing. You have to learn what the whales, the owner of the industry, they are doing, and start following them. If not, you will soon be out. I know how many students I've trained that have bought courses from me that are no longer trading today. As a matter of fact, it pains my heart. When you realize the truth, it's painful. It pains my heart that over 70% of my students are not even trading again. Over 70%, I must be sincere with you. Why are they not trading again? We have traded futures, they have got liquidated several times, they have got profit and got liquidated, smile in the morning, cry in the night, and they stop trading. I'm telling you the truth. But now I've chosen to build a lasting legacy. I'm not one of those traders. After all I've done in the crypto space, after all this is just one of my wallets. You have to understand that this is just one of my wallets. I'd rather I just use this wallet as a demo account, and that's what I've made on that wallet. Just this wallet this year. That's what I've made on that wallet this year. So I won't. Apparently, this is a public class. I can show you my wallet and likes to see what has happened. After all I've done in the past years, I'm not those kind of trader that come online, flaunt things. Many people don't even know me in person. Flaunt things and likes. No, but if it comes to the truth, you can be sure you get it here. Start trading spot and stop trading futures. You see, futures was designed not to give you a future. The only way you can make it in futures trading is if you have millions of dollars that you can manipulate the markets by yourself. You see, even the market makers who are the main traders, the hedge fund traders, the whales in the market actually have what they call the liquidation heat map. They know where you set your stop loss. So they will push the market purposely down. They know where majority set their stop loss. Push the market down, hit their stop loss, and push it back. These are the likes of CZ. That's the owner of Binance and the likes. They were the one controlling the market. You know, at the point you went to the president and likes, they were the one controlling the market, manipulating the whole market, because they know people like you are just here to make it on the spot. Sir, I've heard all you have said. What should I do? Oh, you don't need to buy any course. No, I'm not here to market course. All you need to do right now is stop trading futures and start trading sports. Start trading sports. Start trading sport. What is sport trading? Let me show you on Binance right now. Sport trading simply means maybe this BTC right now. All I need to do right now is that I'm not going through any futures system. All I need to do right now is go to BTC, buy on spot, no leverage, nothing. If I'm buying with $100, I'm buying with $100 or $1,000 or $100. I buy with one. I don't want to buy because I have no reason buying. Buy with $100. Or let me just buy for your sake. Buy with $100. I bought with $100 right now. That's all. After I buy with $100, I'm not under pressure or anything. And when it's time for me to sell, just go to sell, click on sell, then click on the icon again, sell. You sold back, you get. That's just it. You are not under pressure to buy anything or under pressure to do anything. All you are just doing is you are just moving your money from year to year, nothing else. So you buy to hold, that's spot trading. Is buying at the current market price to hold. So there's no leverage, there's no maybe minus 10, minus 20, or you're under pressure. You see, as long as you didn't sell on spot, you have no lose. Until the day you sell, that's when you lose. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying. Until the day you sell, that's when you lose. So even if the market today is doing, you see, there was a point when BTC, let me show you some things. You see, all through this my repetition on spot trading. This is just my first video on it. So be ready. All through the month, you'll be getting video from me on spot trading. And I can tell you, if you can follow me for this 1 month, every three days releasing a new video. So we're planning to release up to, if not 7 videos or so this month, or 8 videos, if possible this month, on spot trading. So make sure you follow this channel. If you have not subscribed on this YouTube channel, can you subscribe right now? Follow it, but I can guarantee you, if you can follow me and follow my instruction just this month alone on how to trade, what to trade, spot trading, if you didn't make money and you are not profitable by December, I'm ready to refund back all your capital for you. I'm telling you this. You can quote me for all this is a public space. This is an online space. Just follow strictly. Follow what I'm telling you. If you didn't make money, no matter what your capital is, I'm ready to refund back. Any amount you lose, I'm ready to refund back to you. I'm telling you things that work for me literally. You can see it practically. I'm showing you the practical times. The practical times, I'm showing you my wallet. So just imagine someone who, let me tell you how whales, that's the major institutional trade, how they do. Let's go to 1 year candlestick or 1 month. Let's go to 1 month. You see, there was a time when BTC was on $96,000. Some of you remember November 2022. $69,000. Some of you remember November 2022. Some of you have not even started trading there. Some of you don't know what's called crypto. So some of you are newbie. But for those who have been trading for long, know what I'm saying. When BTC went to $69,000, are you getting? This is what those guys does. They will buy. When it was at $69,000, or when the market was somewhere here right now, at this peak right here now. What these guys does is that I'm trying to move the market there at this peak right here. Sorry, I'm not using a cursor, so I'm trying to move it down here. When the market was here, they will sell here. Are you getting me? When they sell here, they will wait for the market to come back here to end at the lowest, buy back. At the point in 20, what was that in? I think that was in was it called let me check the dates. Let me check the dates. Please pardon me. That was in 2023. Yes, that was when BTC come down to $15,000. Those guys buy in 2023. They didn't sell again. No. They didn't do anything. They didn't check the market again. No. Now they are selling it back. When they buy at $15,000, they are selling it back at $126,000. They sold their BTC back at $126,000 last what's called in 2025. Sold back at $126,000. And this is you here. You bought yesterday, you sold today. When I started learning trading, I first learned from Binance Academy. One of the things I read, or one of the things I was taught was that the major guys who make the most money in the market only trade once in 4 years. I thought it was a joke. Now, as time goes on, I've come to realize that this is very true. What's my biggest dream in trading? My biggest dream in trading is that a time will come that I only trade maybe once in a year. And a time will come that ultimate dream is that I only trade once in 4 years. Currently, I trade like once in a month. Or once or twice a month. So the more I grow, the more I want to reduce my level of trading. Why some of you, the more you grow, the more you want to increase your number of trading. The more you grow, you want to trade more, and that's why you remain poor and broke in trading. Don't worry, my next video I'll be showing. This video is already long enough for those who want to watch. In my next video, I'll be showing you what are the coins I'm buying currently and the coins I'm holding, and what are the coins you can buy to hold. That's what I'll be showing in the next video. So click on the link. Let me show you how to find the right coin to buy, the right coin to hold, to buy and hold on spot. That will not give you blood pressure. That will not make you check it. I had a lot of experience. There was time when we were trading. Even when you are sleeping at night, I know some of you have been there before. When you are sleeping at night, you see the dreaming of your Binance app or Bybit app. You've seen that the liquidation is going up, coming down. You quickly run through, go and check in the middle of the night. That will lead to blood pressure, and which is likely to kill you early. I tell my students, any trade that takes sleeps away from your eyes, go back and close it. That trade wasn't meant for you. You know one thing? The market is always here. The market is going nowhere. The opportunity is always here. It's about how you manage your capital. Don't worry, join with me in this 1 month. Let's see how it goes. It's going to be amazing. And I can tell you in this 2026, you're going to make massive money trading. I'm going to show you how you can make money effortlessly. So watch my next video, and God bless you. Thank you.